Hello there young people, it's Ingrid Blake. I'm sorry guys, but I'm not going to have a video for you this week because I wrote a song instead. Because I was so very upset about the breakup between me and Dudley that I wrote a song about him. Yeah. Well, when I say I wrote a song, I wrote the words, I didn't write the music like. The music is to my favourite song. Now I'm going to sing it for you guys, and I hope that you like it, and I hope Dudley can watch this and he can watch it with his new girlfriend, because I've gotten over him now, so there. I only wrote this song last night so I have to have the words in front of me, so if I'm not looking at the camera you know why, because I've got a terrible memory, so I have to look at the words. It's kind of like a poem like. So, you know, there we go. I used to go out with this bloke, his name is Dudley, but I dumped his ugly face cause he wasn't good enough for me. This is what he's like. He has pimples up to the nines, he walks like Liam Gallagher, and he'd look at my best friend and tell me that he loved her. I couldn't believe my ears, they were going loopy. He used to get all jealous of guys who thought that I was pretty. Well, you took me for granted, didn't you, Dudley? Here we go. 2, 3, 4. He's so mean and cruel to break my heart for Kelly. He obviously thinks she's fitter than me, and I must look like jelly. Well, she works out, but I don't have to, cause I'm hot. He's so dumb and boring, they got no solidarity. I don't know what she sees in him, but it's not his personality. And I think he's a knobhead, Dudley is a knobhead, Dudley is a knobhead, Dudley is a knobhead. Here we go, 2, 3, 4. He thinks he's flash, he's got no cash, he thinks he's posh, he doesn't wash, yeah, he's oily hair, yeah, it's unfair.